I've got a unit we're gonna try and put on this thing. We're gonna set the condenser right over there. We'll come into a disconnect there on the wall. Got an old wood burner. I'm gonna leave. I like it. I really like it. It's got a pipe. You see the pipe out there. I need to replace the piping because I just temporarily patched it, and I was running it last year. It works really good. If you're in an emergency and you don't have any electricity and you gotta burn some wood to make some heat. There it is right there. But anyway, let me turn some lights on here. We're gonna build a stand for it, and probably just gonna leave it open. We'll put a filter in the bottom of the unit, but here's our breakers. Double 20 outside, double 60 inside. We're going to be on a 10 kW, so we're going to be at a 40 amp rating on that, plus a 20 for the unit. So we're looking at a 60 amp maximum current protection. Okay, so let's see where we were at. Okay, we know what our MOP is our maximum current protection. Our MCA here is going to be our minimum circuit amps. So minimum circuit amps 46 and 53. So here we are, wire size and amp ratings, and NMB copper right here. Looking at, we're going to need 60, guys. So we're looking at 4 on NMB. Well, they don't make them like they used to, do they? I think the least they could do would be coat the bottom too. Just leaving it raw. But whatever. For 30 bucks, you know, it is what it is, guys. I could have went and paid, you know, $70 for one, but we ain't going all out on this one like we usually do on our jobs. I don't get anything but the best usually, you know, when it comes to customers, but we're trying to do this on the low. So let me get some of this crap out of the way here, and we'll set this thing somewhere. Alright, we're going to set our box outside. So what we're going to do here is we're going to brace this. That way we can screw to it. I don't want to set my brace up too high, so let's get that set, and we'll set the disconnect outside. We're going to construct this platform here for this indoor, and that way when I get a hand coming back later on today, we'll get set up on there. I may just do it myself, but anyway, let's get to building that frame. Alright, we got our stand built here, pretty much anyway. I'll put some plywood around it and some registers on the bottom, some little grills on the bottom, but looks kind of rough, but it's just dirt. It's not like, you know, I think we got a little bit of rust right here, but I'm all ready to go. Good to drill in our block, and it's that's our edge of our block, but it's solid, it's filled, so we gotta keep on drilling, but all the way through it for the line set here. So alright, so we just weighed in 9 pounds, 9 ounces, and we just started up. We're pretty dirty on our coil, so I might have to come through and clean the coil, but just on the initial weigh-in, still climbing. We'll let it build up pressure here and see where we arrive at. It'll come out, you know, but when it dries, we'll cut it, you know, with a razor. It won't look that bad. And we'll also inside this pipe, we don't want any bugs coming through the inside of the pipe from the outside to the inside of the shop. So we're going to go inside the inside here with our insulating foam as well, and that'll expand in there on this side and on the other side, and that'll keep the animals out, the critters out. So I'll go ahead and do that now and get finished up. Okay, here we are. A couple minutes later, we're around 21 here. Target super heat's calling for. So the finished readings are 63, no, just about 64 suction temp line temp. 76 high side line temp, 42 eval, pressure converted temperature.